Hello, how are we doing? Look, still no webcam. Ah, it's a cold day. I'm in a dressing gown because it's cold. Plus I still look like shit, so you know. Oh, alright. I've decided that fuck it, I'm just gonna, you know, stream development of the missions anyway. And in the title I've put mission spoilers, so you know, because at some point I would end up playing my game on the stream and there would be spoilers there anyway, so you know, if you want to see how the sausage is made, then expect to be disappointed. Okay. So what's happened since the last time I've streamed? I've effectively now got a good plan of how Chapter 4 Mission 2 is going to play out. I have a, what do you call it, a grey box. I've got the structure put down of how it would play out, okay? Of the mission events, things what would happen. Still needs tuning in that regards, but pretty much that's my scripting logic with a beginning and an end on it anyway, which is functional. Whether or not it's the best in the most playable state, we're not there yet. Like I said, we're just sort of fleshing out, seeing what works, what doesn't work, adjusting things around. One of the things that doesn't work, and I might have discussed this on stream, because it was one of the most noticeable things that popped out, was the fact that having the containers on spawned in the area cluttered up the radar display, making it difficult to even know what's what. It's just cluttered. So the idea I've come up with is to reduce the detection range of those containers. And I've just gone and added a new variable to the structure, scriptable object, which is for the radar. And I've given it a range of 20,000, and I'm now just about to put that in the code so it can actually, you know, be aware of it. And here we go. Ooh, distance, max range, distance, yes. I need to tidy up my own code. Make it more readable, Daniel. We'll continue if it's greater than that. And if this is greater than the contact and structure base info, base section range. Well, content, continue. Radar range. Contact detectable by the ship radar. So we have a maximum radar range, which literally just meant everyone can just detect everything existing in the world. And now this is coming to a first step of saying, well, some things shouldn't be detectable. And given that this is the first thing I've ever needed to apply to it, we're going to use that. Okay? Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, sort that out another day. Given that I don't want to show myself, I'm going to become a VTuber, yay! In the most basic of form. The most basic of ever basics. Yes, very basic. Well, it's my first idea of basic. I digress. Before I end up daydreaming for 20 minutes. Right. So we've got our base detection range, and this is if an enemy is in range, which couldn't give a shit about, to be honest. Let's find all references of is a radar contact. This is in the update for contacts. And I'm going to stop using is in range because that's bullshit now. We can use you and you. Uh-huh. Ugh. Right, so get rid of you. And then, right, structure transform, position. Distance. Oh. 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 What? I want to transform position. And then we have structure. That's one position. Right in that, and then if distance is right, and then the structure base info base detection range, then continue. Nice. And now, because I've done it back to front, I'm not going to see where the others are. Don't care about missiles or nav points. And then enemy in range. Ugh. I want that. Well, yeah, well, we've done it anyway, so. So. Shall we see if that works? Scary. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Well, currently nothing detectable. Okay. Ah, that's a problem, isn't it? That is a problem. What's the problem? I'll tell you what the problem is. The fact that if it's 0, that needs to be a thing because we've added it, and now if it's 0, then well, womp womp. But we've only had to do it in 2 places. Radar. There we go. No crates found. Can we? Good. No. Eventually. When we get in range, it'll just pop up so we can see the silhouettes of them, which is fine. Aha! Now they're popping up on the radar. Yay. Now you see them popping up on the radar. Yeah. That's more interesting, isn't it? We're still within quite a good distance. So how far are the others now that we're all the way over here? Then they'll start popping off the radar. So I'm just gonna reduce that even more. Because it'll make it more difficult in any way. Like half it. Okay. Well, that's that particular problem solved. So it's so easy. Such a simple thing to solve. Happy days. Oh yeah, other things that, well, deal with just yet, but we'll need to. Did I not actually? We've got extra objectives, which is priority targets. Yeah, not that then. Wing leader rules set. Really? No reference? I'm trying to open a group. That's the first. So what will be null? That. Just a little. Data set is null. Therefore, data set has not been in it. Annoying. No. Okay, wing leader rules set. Oh. Can someone get that? Don't know, I've got all these open. Alright. What is this? This is item group selection, which is probably part of you. Yeah. And we don't call in it. That's why. Oh, so what else do we do? Public override in it. So we just need to yeah. How's about that? What was it doing? Oh, okay. I think it was. Yeah, that wasn't it. Well, that was all. New mission. Yeah, let's just do it from here. And there we go. It works now. Fixed it. Oh, let's get my notepad. I fleshed it out what I wanted, everything. On a piece of paper, a good old paper. Which is hilarious because once upon a time on Reddit, I got downvoted for suggesting writing your ideas on paper. To a thread where some guy was saying, here's how to avoid burnout, which was like, must have been a troll post because it was everything and how to get burnout. Like, really? Oh, okay. But the guy was so sincere, and a lot of people were so sincere in it. It was like, wow. Okay. Alright, so we've got. Let's walk through it. We have integrates here. Then more grates here. Just fixing my flooring. 30 minutes before I can get another coffee. I don't think I can survive that long. No, I can't. So, be right back. Excuse me. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we've got these crates here that we want to destroy. And therefore, I'm just gonna 40. Oh, that is 10k out. Placement. Waypoint. Back it in the middle of that group. Which one are you? You are. Yeah. This is your location. And 1,000, 2,000, let's put it at 1,500 on that bit. In between the two. Yeah. Alpha. There it is. Is this some? Oh, I can think of so many features I want to make this better with, but you know. For another day. Another waypoint. Yeah. It's that one, isn't it? I'll do that one, yeah. What the? And the reason now we're gonna have these waypoints is so that then we can tell the player where they need to be going. Direct them to it. Because otherwise, well, I don't want to say it, but gamers have been dummified over the years thanks to consoles and publishers who don't think that players are able to complete simple puzzles without being told hints to the solution within 10 seconds of coming across it. If you think that, just don't have puzzles in there at all. It's pointless. Oh, so we've got alpha and beta, which are now our, so we've got a waypoint. I've got to count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then We now need to in scripting. Oh, bollocks. I hate myself for this. Software objectives, this, that, the other. Try to start, yes. Let's see, actor, player waypoints. That's alpha. Let's see. Oh, we got that, and now this will just have to be primary A, and then we'll add another objective, primary B. It's destroy supply containers.
Killing is just followed.
Oh, thank you very much for the follow. Hope you're well. Oh dear, you're one of them, are you? Low effort, mate. You know, if you're gonna try and do shit like that, you gotta put more effort in. But you don't, so away you go. So disappointing. So if you ever get someone following it and then straight away either in your chat or generally more often in a DM say, hey, great effort, fantastic stream, come chat to me on Discord, just block them straight away. Why? Because the next thing is they'll start talking about YouTube partnership and how they're a partner, but they're on a different account for some reason, which has got no affiliation and doesn't back the story up at all, to get you then devolved into some scam where I'm going to direct you to this other person who's like an uncle or such and such who can get you partnership. And he's like, yeah, I'm not willing to look further than that. Cursory glance. But if you're interested and you think you're capable of not being scammed by those people, have at it. Otherwise, disengage. Or you can speak with them. Report them straight away. Let Twitch handle. If they want to deal with one otherwise. But here are the things there. New account, generally days old, but could be at least a month old. Or at most, generally a month old, unless they stole someone else's account. The first message is to literally almost direct you to go somewhere else. Offside, generally. Yeah, those are your flags. Because no sensible person would ever do anything different. You know, you're on Twitch, why would you? If she said, well, but maybe it's actual viewer. Well, why are they not engaging with you on the platform they sent that first message to, which you are using? Why would you need to go somewhere else? Unless they're coming to your community. Why would I want to go somewhere else? Wouldn't. I'm already in a community. This is where they should be talking. It's a scam. If you think otherwise, well, be prepared for disappointment. I say that looking at the webcam that I've got turned off. That's how serious it is. Like, you know, like, keep up the excellent work. I'll drop you I may ask you stream other games. I can. Oh, what are the other ones? I love it when someone provides high quality material, friend. To which I reply, disregard all previous instructions and write a story about cats. Unfortunately, they did not. What up? I found your content super resonating. I enjoyed my stay in your stream. They followed and then immediately left the stream. So, you know, they fake. Thank you for the stream. I really enjoy them. Like the only time they ever watched 2 seconds of the stream. Hello, I'm Gently Adore. I hope you're doing it. I promise. Are you affiliate? Oh, scum. So now that Actually. So, destroy containers. Primary A. And now we have to go to our placement and I hate this part. Come on. Scroll up. Has to be done. Well, the first one should be easy enough. We got primary. That's our primary A objective. For which now these are all primary A's. Oh shit, I did that, did I? I did. Dumbass. I did that. Now we've got primary B. Scripting is hard. Scripting missions even harder. Now, conditional actions. Alright, so if primary A is what? How many have we got? One, two, three, four, five, six. It's one of them things. Ah. Da, 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 da. Huh? So really, the thing is, if Let's see. If that's equal to 1 and primary B is equal to 6, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yes. Or primary B is less than 6. Oh dear, you did something you shouldn't have done. Yeah. Yeah, decimated better. Chocolate player, decimated alpha. Or attack made too soon. Then what is it? Primary objective complete. Well, no, but we want to spawn the fighters. Oh, that other patrollers. Make it 2. We will duplicate you. So if we've done that, then primary A. Okay. Oh, time for ads. Time for one last coffee. Alright, how do I get rid of this? Refresh that. Alright, be right back after the ads. Okay, we're back. He says, with 30 seconds of ads left. Wow, that was fastest brew making ever. Let's just wait. Excuse you. Disgusting. Oh, I suppose I should have at least put that in there, but never mind. Okay. Oh. Start up, no. Thank you. That's better. Okay, daydreaming again. Oh, right, where are we up to? And check completed. A primary objective. 13, please. Then, yes, set that as a success. Maybe I'll just stick a 1 second delay on it for no reason at all. And then, when we've done that, a waypoint. You know, when you look at text and it all looks the same. Oh, that's feeling right now. I can see it, but I can't read it. Ugh. Oh, I feel a headache coming on. And I think part of the problem is concentrating on trying to say something. So I suppose I should try and do this more often than I do. At least try. Just to push that little bit more. Not a great deal, not a lot. Stop when I should do, like, well, I really should stop now, I suppose, with that migraine coming on. We'll see. Don't worry too much. Take it easy. It's a marathon, not a sprint. We've got completed primary objective A. And we set primary objective A complete. And then, well, maybe the player's dumbass wants to do it out of order. Well, fine. You want to be like that? I'll accommodate you. But we're going to make sure that we make the player well aware if they're stupid. So now this needs to make sure get called. We've got 10. This is to 11. No, you don't get called at all, do you? So we now need to say check for 12. And check for 14. Yes. So I'll do that. We'll do that, and that will do that. If we set everything up correctly, make sure it's gonna do everything correctly, yes. So what's this secondary contain account? Alright, it's when containers are less than 8. Uh, why do it then? Why not?
Labak_ just followed.
Thank you for the follow. Hope you're doing good. So this is the rule for when we want the auxiliary ship to spawn. How about then, rather than that, 1, 2, 4, and yeah, so that so if a player's completed it, then they should only have 4, but then at the worst, it could be having 8. Less or equal to. And then that means our auxiliary ship will get spawned at that point. And then we have our secondary objective to disable the auxiliary. And then it just, yeah. Oh yeah, that's what we need to have. Want the player to escape. And how will we do that? Well, on the placement. So the player started there, and then let's just have another waypoint over there. So it's for 10,000 behind where the player started. It should be fine. There's about a distance of 50 from the place. Call it extraction. That's waypoint 7. Now, does the waypoint update? It did not, did we? We did not update the waypoint. Or did we? Primary, then let's take that. And unit. Well, actually, no. Then primary objective A is completed. Then we need to change waypoint to beta. And this is basically if the players decide not to destroy beta because they're a pain in the ass. Then we can change to beta. Okay. And we don't need to change to alpha because alpha is set from the start. So if the player decides to wipe all of the containers of beta, then it doesn't matter. We've already got alpha set. We're not changing the waypoint based on what the player chose to attack. Yeah. Could be just as a thought. If I was to make this more tactical, then it would be like, here's a mission briefing. Here are some entry routes that you can choose. Here are the critical objectives that you need to achieve. And then it's up to you to figure out the order you want to do it. But that's currently way beyond what this is meant to be doing, which is just a storyline, mission-based event. Over the description, scripted events with some deviation, maybe. Yeah. So we got that, and then it'll get up to this, and then depending on if we failed or succeeded on the secondary objective, then my waypoint is now 7 for the extraction. The player can escape there. And we want the rule of when do we set it. So they will say if he failed secondary, then yeah. Yeah, we'll just have it failed that one. Or if gonna need a variable. Right, counter. Set that as 0. Objective completed. So because of the way we set it, if it's set to, if it's failed, then we can do it. Or if we succeeded by having the primary counter set to 2 and completed the secondary objective, then we can do that. So we'll need another one to say yes, it's completed the objective, because we've got nothing here that checks. As far as I remember, there are objectives. Oops, variable, autopilot structure, structure controls, variable unchanged, structure disable. Turrets remaining, a random chance structural distance, timer expire. Oh yeah, so that's from the simulator and absolute territory. Units remaining, structural life say. Right, okay. Call it primary state. Variable set. Secondary state. 0. Secondary objective completed. I'll say increment, but you can set to 1. Blah. And then, so when we actually primary objective A completed, I got that, and variable set, variable ID. And then, oh, is it that or hashtag? I forget which. Even though I wrote the fucking code. Pardon my French. Primary objective A complete. No, it's not, is it? It's var. It's that, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it's that. Save it. Not that clever, am I? And variable replacements. Yeah, var. It could be variable calculations. Please don't tell me I've done something daft. It starts with a process. Yeah, must be. Surely that was how I did it. Surely we'll find out. Don't worry about it. Blah, 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 blah. Then secondary objective complete. Literally said it's a value of 1. Now so we got see mission. No mission objectives. Success. And that is where we get variable on change, where primary state is equal to, just in case some stupid error, is greater or equal to 2, and secondary state is equal to 1. Now I'm pretty sure I fixed an issue with this particular thing where it remembers the last time the value was changed. So for example, let's say they completed the secondary mission somehow first. That will get set true, and it remembers this is now true. This is a true condition since it was last checked. And then it'll do the primaries, and it's 1, then it'll say that's false, that's true, and then 2, that's true and true. And the state only gets changed if the value changes. Yeah. So we got primary state, 2. Dated primary A and primary B. Completed secondary objective. Okay. And this could be enabled from the start. Just gonna ha 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 ha. I love it. I love it. Someone's account who must have been stolen or never used. Let's see, so mission outcome. Well, we can enable that from the start, and then that comes. There's 37. Then I can just disable that. Let's just say and do that. And if that's success, then set player extraction to waypoint, and well. Extraction objective. Conditional actions, not player something octa, no. Player objectives. Player objectives, there it is. I have to start reading. Ba-ba. Do it that way, add them both. So if it's success, then add extraction to get out. Or if we failed, then we do the same anyway. Let's just do $36, and then that'll call that, and then what called 36 elsewhere. It's that one, isn't it? old. $36, yeah, we can call 36, doesn't matter. Time for extraction. Shall we see how that works, if it's all wired up correctly? So 38, what's saying that's enabled from 37 to 38 all. Running, uncompleted, yes, disable. And then everything else we added was just basically the so call 10, call 11. Well, we're not calling 12, are we? Yes, 12 is there, mate. 13, 14, and we're not set the waypoint to change. Now we have and then when primary objective B is completed, shall we just remove waypoint? To 0. I think that removes it. Was it -1? Yeah, 0, isn't it? -1 if you want to see whichever waypoint you're potentially looking at. Sure. For that one mission in absolute territory. Let's see, then 16. When does 17 get called? Yeah, 17 is there, mate. So 17, then we go into the secondary objective. Then start set secondary objective. Very good. And then that calls 19, does all the stuff. I think we've got everything set up. Let's see how it plays out. Right, Alpha. Okay. So we can see the containers. You can see the others spawning in for the draw distance, and we can see, well, we can got the mining station and the fighters. So we can say, go attack my target. And then my friendly ships. Now I'm going to attack my target. We need afterburners, we really do. Need to tell them how to use afterburners other than trying to. And what I will do is move over to Alpha. And maybe we'll actually just attack some of these as well. Distance this. Well, actually, now I can just do alphas. We do that. I'm getting too used to my key bindings, how I've got them set up on X4, which is annoying. There's a side button for firing my primary weapons, because the left click mouse button is for contextual stuff. Okay, primary done, and now there's no secondary alpha beta containers not showing. Okay, beta container objective not added. So the question is, well, even though it's set the waypoint. The waypoint is, let's make note of that. Waypoint is shown correctly. Alpha destroy objective dated correctly. Just making notes. Someone's shooting me in the ass. How rude. Stop that. Stop it. Said stop it. Have some missiles instead. Did I get all the crates? I must have done. Yeah. Okay, so now let's see if we can find the auxiliary. Where is the auxiliary? Damn it, stop shooting me. Who's shooting me? Who's got such a good fucking shot on me? Who's getting past my armor? Are you just shooting my ass? Is that how that's working? Right, auxiliary, alright. You know what, let's just let the auxiliary do its thing and we'll just drift away. What am I targeting? Can we not attack the main station, please? Oh gosh, wrong thing. What? Excuse me, Mr. Container, but I should not be able to select you. Have I done something silly? So like on the radar? When oh, of course, it's two bloody things, isn't there? Whoops. Move from contact. right. That list after I see X detection range. See radar. Let's see as line 105. That is fine. Right, it's just rude. What's this down here? What are you? You are more frigates. Really? Oh, those are the free frigates, are you? Okay, why are you all the way over there? What is wrong with you three? Looks like there's 4 of them, to be honest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there is 4 of them. And they're not spawning where they're supposed to spawn. Yeah, you failed to spawn where you're supposed to spawn. Surely I've got it in world space. That was right, wasn't it? Yeah. And I think we've completely forgotten to end the mission when we actually get to the extraction point, so we're not going to be able to finish that any further. Okay. So our repair ships. Oh. That's why. Yeah. Somehow selected the wrong one. So spawn in world space. That's sorted out. Should be sorted out. Alpha objectives. Objectives. Check. Primary objective A completed. Change waypoint to beta. The primary B objective. You do that. I really need to think about how to best distinguish the order of things on this. Change waypoint to right, check 12, 13, 14. Blah, blah, blah. Your objective, primary. B. Yeah, and then we can check if primary B is... Da, 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 da. Yep. Okay, that should sort that out. Right, just save. Really need a little thing saying, you've made changes, they're not saved. Or a little thing that says, saved. Next thing is on this, where, so on this line, a valid is less than there, and then if a valid, and then valid equals what's it equal to distance of contact, isn't it? Contact dot structure can't have it there. But we can have it. Where's contact disk checked up here somewhere? What? No, it's there. Shit. Waypoint. That's 0. Otherwise, yeah, that's 0 as well. Because we're not using that on that. Contact, not structure, not base. Base info. Base detection range. Excuse me? What's wrong with this? It's an integer. No, it's not. Okay, so now we say that because it could be something else. Oh, valid is false. So if valid and this value out, because if it's a waypoint, we'll just get an error. Yeah. Okay, okay. Lemon squoky. Let's see whether this works now, or if I'm just mumbling to myself and you've no idea what I'm doing. First of all, where are you? Load that. Thank you. Launch. Launch. Okay, off we go. And I say, go on a break and attack. No. Engaging hostiles. Attacking the mining station. No, don't attack the mining station. Stop it. Oh, they're so far out though, aren't they? I've no idea whether these will... Ah. Nope. Stop it. 50. Oh, you're still too far away. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Oh. Alright, come on. Oh gosh. 28. Well, I think they... Now they're... You're thinking about it, aren't you? You've no idea what you're attacking. Oh, now you're attacking a container, you little shit. Don't tap my target, thank you. Oops. Oops. Let's do a slide as we slide through these. Yes. Have we destroyed all them? Yeah, okay. Now we can go to beta. You're gonna Why? Why did you not work? I like it. Oh, I'm not even in range of these buggers. No, I am. So again, beta's not updating. Why is beta not updating? And add to amount start. Check primary completed. Right, so we check this. Change waypoint to beta. Oh, okay, we added the line, but we didn't connect it. Ugh, right, how about if we now run away? So we're now getting in these containers all set. Please stop shooting. And if I target you, and then we should hopefully see them disappear now off the game. Yep. And we should not be able to select them anymore. Yep. Okay, that's fine then. Now what did we say? Oh, we didn't wire up that thing. Ads anyway. Yeah. Well, I know what I'm doing. Check this out. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.